Raise your hand if you've ever pulled an all-nighter, promised yourself never again, and then did the exact same thing 2 weeks later. We think the problem is a lack of discipline, but the truth is simpler. Your environment is designed for you to fail. You don't need more hustle, you need a better identity. In Atomic Habits, the goal isn't to get a 4.0, it's to become the type of student who never misses a study session. We do this through the 2-minute rule. If a habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't study for the midterm. Just open the notebook. Once you break that initial friction, the all-nighter cycle breaks with it. You're no longer a procrastinator. You're someone who is officially in the work. But how do you make that focus permanent? It starts by mastering the habit loop: a cue, a craving, a response, and a reward. If your cue is a buzzing phone, your response is distraction. To win the semester, you have to redesign the loop. You have to make the cues for studying obvious, and the cues for your distractions invisible. Think of habits like atoms. Individually, they seem invisible. But when they cluster together, they create everything. A 1% improvement every day doesn't feel like much in the moment, but over a semester, that compound interest transforms your results. Most students focus on the goal. I want an A. Successful students focus on identity. I am the kind of person who never misses a study session. Every habit is a vote for the person you want to become. You don't do a study session. You are a student who shows up. Your brain resists big changes, so make your habits brain dead, easy to start. A habit must be established before it can be improved. Don't try to study for 4 hours. Just master the first 2 minutes. Instead of write a 10-page paper, your mission is open the laptop. Once you break the initial friction, momentum takes over. You don't need to find time, you just need to anchor it. Use habit stacking. Attach your new ambition to a routine you already have. After I brew my coffee, I will open my planner. After I lock my door for class, I'll review one flashcard. By anchoring the behavior, you remove the need to make a decision. Discipline is often just a product of a focused environment. We don't struggle because we're incapable. We struggle because of friction. If your phone is next to your book, you're fighting a losing battle. Design your space so the right habit is the easiest choice. Progress becomes addictive when you can see it. Use a simple tracker. Every day you complete your tiny habit, mark an X. Soon you won't be working for the grade, you'll be working to protect the streak. Consistency creates the momentum that talent cannot match. One day of focused effort won't change your life, but 100 days of small, disciplined habits. That is how average students become top performers. Extraordinary results are simply the finish line of ordinary, tiny habits. You don't find discipline, you build it, one habit at a time. So what is one tiny action you can control right now? Open the book. Write one sentence. Start the timer. Your future self is being built by what you do today. 3, 2, 1, go.